Hello everyone, my name is Mukund and in this video I am going to show you how to fill the form of IMU-CET. Yes, the forms are out now. Most of you must be knowing till now, some of you won't. So let us go forward. I'll be giving you some details also if needed during the form filling procedure. Now you just have to type imu.edu.in and this is the official website of the IMU. All the notifications, rank cards, and admit cards are on this website. So see that you keep on visiting it. Now you have to go on the right hand side and there you can see admission 2023. You have to click on that. For question paper, you have to click on the option that was given below. Now, a page like this will come. This is the website of IMU again, but here you'll get all the forms and the brochures of different courses of in the IMU colleges. If you want to download the brochure, you just have to give your details here and select the course, and you'll be able to download the brochure. Okay. Now let us go to the IMU CET form filling for UG, that is undergraduate, that is us. So just click on this. A website like this will be opened here. Just go through all these things. The last two or yeah, the last two option is not important. This one, go through it. Go through this one. Go through this one. Then go through this one and everything that feels that is important. The academic brochure is on the this from this link. You can download it and read it all. You'll get the details and the frequently asked questions are here. Inquiries, if you do have, then just email on this and you'll get a reply. If you want to get an instant reply, call on this number in the working hours. Technical problems, if there are, then you can call on this, like if something is a problem in your uh, form. Now since it is written that it is for the academic year 2023-24 and DNS Feb 2024, so the IMU-CET will be conducted only once. It won't be conducted twice, and whatever rank you get this time will be applicable for the next time also. Now the date of commencement of course online registration is 14/4/2023, that was 2 days back, and the last date is 18th of May 2023. The date of IMU-CET is 10th June 2006. Okay. Now new users click here and registered candidates click here to log in. So you are a new user if you are filling the form for the first time. Now there is something written here, just go through it. I think it is the eligibility criteria and everything. So once you go through it, just click on that I have read and proceed further. Now choice of CET applying for UG technical course, MBA or MTech. Everybody must be here for the UG. Now you have to write the candidate's name and it is automatically coming in the caps form, so you don't need to switch on your caps lock. You have to write your name 2 times and then select the nationality, the gender, male, female or transgender, the category you have to write general, EWS, OBC, SC or ST. So whatever category you write, you must be having a certificate for that. General EWS certificate in specified format is to be uploaded during the detailed registration. So you can click here and use that EWS file is downloaded. So in this very format, you should have your the certificate for the caste, and you'll have to upload it once the form filling starts. So this is for all the categories. SC, ST, so just you have to click here and see the format. But if you're a general, then you don't have to do anything, any sort of things like that. Are you differentially able? That is, do you have some problem in the physical abilities? कुछ कटा हुआ है बॉडी में तो say just click on no, you're not. Uh, if you have clicked on yes, then this Yeah. So you have to click on no. Now the date of birth has to be selected. Suppose that you are choosing from 2004 August the 19th, then the age will be automatically here, and you have to move further. So the next one is the mobile number, email address, and confirm email address. So just fill this registration form and click on continue option. So once you'll fill your phone number and your email number and the confirmation of email number, you'll get an OTP on your mobile number, on your email ID, uh, and with an OTP. So once you put the OTP, then you'll get a confirmation on your email ID with the username and a password. It is advisable for you to keep the mail with you. If keep the mail with you until your admission, because the user ID comes in very handy for each and everything. Okay. Now moving further, you have to mention your father's name, that is the full name, your mother's name, that is the full name, your guardian's name, that is again the full name. Now whatever is in asterisk, they are compulsory. Whatever are not in asterisk, they are not compulsory. So parents or guardians contact number. So in here you should write your father's or mother's phone number. Your religion, you have to put it here. Your mother tongue, or whatever you speak as a main language of yours. Present occupation, private service, government service, self-employed, or others. You can click on others. Okay, parents occupation should be government service if they are in government service. If they are in business, farmers, etc., then you can click on self-employed. Okay. So parents annual income in rupees, you can choose any of these options, below 1 lakh or 8 lakh, above 80c. Blood group, you have to see what's yours and put it here. Then the permanent address, line 1, line 2, then the state, the city or the district, suppose it's Patna, and the pin code should be mentioned here. Now if the permanent address is same as the correspondence address, that is correspondence address is the address where you are living right now, then click on this option. Okay. Otherwise, click on fill on the correspondence address here. The permanent address is already filled here. Okay, so the both will be different. Now, do you have a passport or applied for Tatkal passport? Kindly note, if you are clicking on no, kindly note that the passport will be required to produce during the verification if selected for DG approved courses like BTech Marine Engineering, BSc and DNS. So you have to click on it. Now, can you fill the form without passport? Yes, by clicking this option, but see that you are having the passport as soon as possible. Okay, now if you click on yes, then they'll ask either the passport number should be here or the Tatkal passport application number should be here. Okay, otherwise click on no. Okay, now how did you get to know about the IMU? So you can click, you can write others and right here uh, YouTube IMUmate. So IMUmate is a coaching or an organization that provides you sponsorship and IMU-CET preparation. In sponsorship, both the written part and the interview part at a very low cost of 3,500 rupees, which is comparatively less than any other coaching institutes. You can visit the Instagram page of IMUmate or join the WhatsApp group of IMUmate for reference of the results. uh, the WhatsApp group link will be in the description of the video. Okay, now which background do you belong, rural or urban? So choose accordingly. If you live in city, it's urban. If you live in village, it's rural. Do you meet the requisite medical and educational standards for the selected program? Just click on yes. Do you have an NCC certificate? If you have any of these three, click on. Otherwise, click on I do not have. Now the preference of the city of examination. Okay. So when you'll go through the brochure, you will find that they have marked green options. So those green options are the first priority. Now it is written there. in any of these three, preference 1, 2 and 3, you have to at least mention one of those green options. So since I live in Patna, I'll put my first priority as Patna. Then the closest is Muzaffarpur. So I'll put Muzaffarpur, and the other closest one is Kolkata. So I'll put Kolkata. Now, those who are filling the form early, they'll get their first preference because they have already registered. Those who will do a little late, they will not get their first preference. They may get the second or third. So see that you are filling the form fast. Okay, then after that, we'll click on save and continue. Now, once you have submitted the previous, that is the personal details, and click on save and continue, something like this will open. This is your academic details or educational qualifications. Now, the 10th or SSLC, uh, if you have passed, that is, of course, you have passed, you have to click on this select, or it is by default selected. Now the English marks should be there. So the maximum marks is 100 suppose, and you have obtained 84. So your percentage will automatically be calculated. Here you have to put your registration number of standard 10th. That is the unique ID if it is an ICSE board, or roll number or seat number, anything that is according to your board. Now you have to choose the board. So if it is ICSE, then it will be something like this. Okay. Now the year of completion should be mentioned. If it is 2020, just click on 2020 or choose according to all of it. Now if the total marks is 500 and you have obtained 457 marks, then this percentage will be written here. Okay. 459 suppose. So yeah, something like this, it will automatically come. You don't need to change it. Now to the 12th details. Now 12th or equivalent, so equivalent consists of diploma, I guess. Okay. Now the result status, pass, fail or awaited. So if your results are awaited, that is you are an appearing student, you have to click on this option. The application is provisional, subject to scoring minimum eligibility criteria marks, that is 60% in the PCM. The scores are to be uploaded as per the deadlines given in the academic brochure. Okay, so you'll be able to come back and access the form again, and you have to put the marks here. And if you have passed, you have to click pass, and then you have to fill the each and everything, that is how much marks you obtain in physics, how much marks you obtain in chemistry, how much marks you obtained in mathematics. Further, the PCM percentage will be automatically calculated from there, and then you have to put your marks in English. So the total marks is 100 suppose, and you got 91. So as you can see, it is automatically calculated. The registration of the roll number or the unique ID will should be mentioned here. Then the board name should be mentioned here. ICC, it's the ISC actually in 12th. So now year of passing 22 or 23. So select 22. And now the maximum marks in all the subjects and the total marks. So suppose it is 400 and you got something like 373, then your marks will automatically be put here. Okay. So that's all. If you have done your graduation or BTech, you can also put the details, but there may be very less people. But if you have to put. You should put. Specialization is the major subject in your course, and then you have to select pass or fail and fill the further details. So that is all about the educational qualifications. We'll move further by clicking on save and continue. Now once you have filled your academic details and clicked on save and continue, you'll move further to the uploading of documents part. Now here you have to upload your photo, signature, 10th and 12th mark sheet. The catch is that the conditions is given here. Now it becomes a bit hard when the conditions are concerned, because you have to match the pixels and you have to match the size, also you have to match the format. So just go on YouTube and find there that how to increase or decrease the pixel of an image, or how to change the dimension of an image. They'll tell you by editing it from the paint option, and you'll be able to size will automatically be reduced, so don't worry about that. And if it is in some other format, then go on the Chrome and write there that particular format to JPG or JPG format, and then it will be made perfect for you. Now there are some conditions also here for the photographs. You have to read the conditions and abide to it. The mobile selfies are not allowed and everything, so just go through the whole stuffs about the photograph. Okay. They have also mentioned here how to reduce the size of the photograph. Okay. Now, so you can do it as they have told you. Last year it was not there. This time they have made changes, and they have given the stepwise complete procedure. So do follow it. You will be not facing any difficulty. Okay. Now, since I filled the form for the last year, I already have each and everything. So I'll just click and choose. See, it is edited here. Now choose a file. For signature also I had it. Now I'll just click on upload and upload. So both are uploaded automatically. Now the 10th standard mark sheet, again the condition only PDF format and the maximum is 1 MB. So you have to make a PDF of your mark sheet and the size should not be more than 1 MB. So what you can do is just if you have the it under conditions, so just like suppose if it is my 10th mark sheet, I'll put it here, and they're also asking for the 12th mark sheet. So this is my 12th mark sheet, so I'll upload both. It will take some time, and after the once it is uploaded, then you can move forward. The next procedure will come for the payment. uh, so this one is uploaded. I'll upload the other one is also uploaded. So just preview and submit option will come, and here you'll get your complete details of whatever you have filled. You have to submit it. Once you'll click on submit and preview, application will be shown to you. It will be a complete application of yours, which is going to be printed as your admit card too in future. So just check all the details, and if you have anything that is not filled properly or correctly, just go back and fill it and save and again check everything. See that you don't make any mistakes in these, because it goes to the government portal, and as you all know, the government portal is a bit hard to change or other things. Now after that, the payment window will come when to make an online payment. And now here there are some conditions that's written here: debit card, credit card, net banking, etc. So the form fees is 1000 rupees, and you just have to click on make payment, and the payment will be done. So you can this is all about the form filling procedure. After that, see that you have printed the application, and you'll also get the payment receipt on your email, and here the submitted payment pending will be written there, that payments successful or the form is filled successfully. Then the database will be created in the IMU in the name of yours. To access it, you just have to go on the IMU and IMU website and log in with your credentials of user ID and password that was given in the email just after you registered in IMU in the very starting. So that is all about the form filling procedure of the IMU. Now IMU-CET. Yeah. Now, if anybody has any doubts, the WhatsApp group link has been provided in the description. You can join the WhatsApp group, and for your information, the IMUmate has already started the IMU-CET batch, and it will be the last batch for IMU-CET, that maybe the last batch for IMU-CET that we will be conducting. uh, it will also be for sponsorship, so please do not delay and take admissions as soon as possible. The number for admission will also be there in the description box. Once you join the WhatsApp group, you'll automatically get the chance to talk to me or any admin there. Everybody will reply, and if you do have any doubts, do let us know in our DM. We will definitely try to solve it. So I hope the video was informative and you all liked it. If you do, then please do share the video, subscribe and like it. Thank you and have a nice day.